The battery. Luminous. Then this is the inverter. Wire dey inside here. Protection kit inside. This is the solar cable. Then you have the battery rack here. And the solar panel 190 watts times 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You are done with the installation of the panels. 4 times 180 watts. That's another solar panel there installed there. Notable thing to note here is another source of renewable energy, the wind turbine. Yeah, this is a 1.5 kVA solar power system. 4 solar panels up above. 4 times 190 watt solar panels. Now this system is capable to power this washing machine, this TV, 5-inch TV, and every other house solar time. Now let's check the rooms. Now we have chandelas there, we have wall brackets. This is the toilet. Okay, here we have the kitchen. And here we have the parlor. The room self-contained. Yeah, that's it.